I'm Sarah, a GP family physician. Welcome to my channel where I tell you guys about all those everyday health essentials. And today I'm going to take you into my kitchen. I think desserts can be nutritious for you and healthy for you just with the right ingredients. So today I'm going to show you guys how we make super healthy chocolate brownie. There's no dairy, there's no egg, and there's no flour, no grains. If you are vegan, if you're lactose intolerant or gluten intolerant, this is a recipe for you. So instead, what we're actually going to be using is chickpeas and almonds. But the best thing about this brownie is that it tastes like it should be bad for you. But at the same time, it's super healthy, super gooey, fudgy, delicious, and incredibly guilt-free. You can indulge yourself and not feel like, you should feel bad about it. So I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe, and I think I've talked enough about it. Let's get started, and I hope you guys like it.
So guys, are you ready to do this with me? So we need to start by getting our ingredients ready. We need melted coconut oil, a nut butter of your choice, vanilla extract, salt, ground almonds, maple syrup, chickpeas completely rinsed and dried from a can, baking soda, cocoa powder, baking powder, and finally chopped dark chocolate. I use 80% here, but you can use anything you like. So we need 1 can of chickpeas completely rinsed and dried. So this is going to form the base of our cake. It's really high in natural protein and it's got really good complex carbohydrates for you that makes you feel full for longer. So instead of normal butter, we're going to go for nut butter. It's much more higher in protein and so much better for you. You can use any sort of nut butter. I think cashew and almond probably works better, but you can use whatever you like. And we're going to add in half a cup of nut butter. So instead of margarine or vegetable oil, we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. So let's stay away from those simple sugars, guys, and foods with high GI index. No caster sugar, no granulated sugar. We're going to go for half a cup of maple syrup. You can also use agar syrup as well, whatever takes your fancy. So into that, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's very different to vanilla essence, so just make sure you buy the right one. So let's pop the lid on and we're going to blend the wet ingredients until it's really nice and smooth. Well, let's have a look at this gorgeous mixture. Take off the lid. Yes. So it's nice. Oh, look at that. It's just so nice and smooth. I love this blender. So now we're going to add in the dry ingredients. We're going to start by using 1/4 cup of almond flour. So it's just ground almonds, but it's really high in protein and it gives that nice cake texture. Into that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and finally, the last one, just a pinch of salt. We're not going to add much in. So now once we've got everything in, we just got to put the lid on and let the blender do its job. It's going to blend everything really nice and smooth until you get that nice gooey chocolate batter. So here I probably used about half a pack of 80% dark chocolate, but you can use whatever chocolate you fancy. Cut the chocolates probably in big chunks because I want them to melt in your mouth and it really gives that nice gooey texture when you have the brownies. I just really like it when you see that melted chocolate still dripping from the brownie. We're just going to blend the chocolate so that it's nice and evenly spread, but you don't have to go overboard with this. I probably should have taken it out in a bowl, but Forgive me guys, I was just a bit too lazy. So now we're going to transfer all of that into the baking tray. So one tip would be just try and oil the base of your baking tray so the paper sticks to the bottom. Otherwise, when you move the batter across, it can move around in the tray and just make it a little bit more difficult to spread. And so once this is all nice and spread, it is ready for the oven. So we're gonna put it in there for probably around 21 to 23 minutes. Boy, you guys, I can't wait for you to smell this in your kitchen. It is absolutely fantastic. So this is what they look like at the end. It is so gooey. You can just literally see the melting chocolate chunks dripping from the brownie. I think it's served best when it's nice and warm, straight out of the oven. Try not to finish everything. Please let me know what you guys think of the recipe. Comment down below, give me a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe for my channel to find out a bit more about all those essential health topics and all those everyday health recipes. I really hope you guys enjoy this brownie, and see you guys next week, and have a wonderful, wonderful, amazing week ahead.